Do you like mashed potatoes? And who doesn't? Okay, maybe some people. You'll love this mashed potato casserole called Pommes Mont D'Or. This recipe comes from Chef Jacques Pepin, by the way. It's made from leftover mashed potatoes, and I like to use Yukon Gold potatoes. And I had about 2.5 cups of leftover mashed Yukon Gold. So, to the potatoes in a mixing bowl, add 2 eggs, beaten, then 1 cup of shredded Gruyere cheese. And you can use Swiss or cheddar if you want, it's up to you. I like to fold it in first and then I take a whisk to finish. Taste and re-season if necessary. They should be seasoned already because you seasoned your mashed potatoes, right? But check anyway. Now place the potato mixture in a buttered gratin or baking dish. Smooth it out. And then top with about 1 tablespoon of grated Parmigiano Reggiano. And then bake at 400 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes until it's a deep golden brown. Pommes Mont D'Or mashed potato casserole. That means mound of golden potatoes. You can top with some chives or sliced green onions if you want, maybe sour cream, maybe more butter. A simple, elegant side dish for any entree, Pommes Mont D'Or. Hey, thanks for watching. Please hit subscribe, like, and the bell button. I appreciate it.